Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by thestreamingadvisor.com. This isn't going to be our normal smooth video. We did this on the cell phone because I wanted to get some activity that you can only find on a Roku TV. Roku is updating their features, and as you see, the TV inputs now have their own sort of folder on the front page of the Roku home screen. It's no longer displaying, HDMI 1, 2, 3, and so on. If you don't have this feature yet, you might want to check your system and go to a system update. It's right there in the systems section, and then software update. You just click on it, say check now. Like I said, please excuse the shaky cam there. We can call this a found footage video. But you just want to make sure that your system is fully up to date. This is a set of features that Roku is sort of pushing out here and there. Some people have already gotten it. Some people got it before we did. Another feature that you can take a look at is on the top, there's a continue watching section. And this is just going to be anything that you've been watching on any Roku app. It goes to continue watching. This is a feature a whole lot like you would find in a TV service itself, like something you would find from YouTube TV or Hulu with Live TV or Sling TV or even your cable service, things like that. It's a great smart TV feature that you could actually find in both the Roku and Roku-powered TVs. It launches in on the section where you can find, your playlist and everything else. So these are two great new features, and that's apparently not all. There have been other reports. I've seen pictures of a 4x4 grid instead of the 3x3 grid that you usually have, like as you see right now. So you can get more apps on your screen. Shoot, the mere fact that Roku is now calling apps what they are is a big deal. They always called their apps channels, but now it says apps and inputs. So that's a change. On top of that, there is even talk that there are folders going into the home screen. So you could block your sports stuff together or your entertainment things. I haven't seen that. I imagine it would work a whole lot like what we're seeing with the TV inputs folder. So that's a quick and dirty first look on the Roku's latest features. With the fall coming up, I suppose we'll see more. According to Roku, none of these things are definite, everybody's going to get them features. They're just trying a lot of things out. But I think we're going to see some other things roll out. We'll keep an eye on it. I hope you found that helpful and interesting. If you did, please subscribe. Share this video with your friends. As always, I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor. Click the bell for more videos, and we'll see you next time. As always, stream on, my friends.